So you might be in a position where for some reason your search on TikTok just isn't working. Now, what does that mean? Well, essentially, maybe you're trying to go ahead and search for something on TikTok, like let's say you're typing in like swipe picture, or maybe you're typing in whatever my other username is. Well, a reason why this may not be happening properly, or a reason why this is probably messing up for the most part, is usually because of one, you don't have any Wi-Fi or cellular connection. So in this case, if you're searching up like something like this, like my other account, well, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you have a Wi-Fi connection or cellular data connection set up, because if you don't, that is probably going to be the reason why you're having issues here. So just go through, first of all, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever it is, and that will probably end up fixing the situation for a majority of people out there. Now, for some reason that doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend looking at for the most part is just going through and seeing if there's an update available for TikTok. So just going straight into your app store like this, you can go and type in TikTok just like so. So go and type in TikTok like this, go and search it up. And what you want to do here is see if there's an update available. As you can see, there is an update available for my TikTok application. So I want to go ahead and update it, and that might end up fixing the situation as well. If you're on a very outdated version of TikTok, that can cause a ton of issues in and of itself, and that is the first thing, or one of the first things I would recommend doing. Now, on top of that, another final thing that might end up being the issue for a lot of people is actually if TikTok is down. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, TikTok may be having a server outage. It's very, very common. So this basically entails you of typing in or going to a website that allows you to see what services are up and down. You can go on downdetector.com, isitdown.com. You can go to Twitter and just see if TikTok is trending, because if it is, then that probably means TikTok's down as well from there. So in this case, I can just type in down detector, and you can see that for some people, Twitter is down, but usually if TikTok is down, it'll have a big spike like that. A lot of people reporting it. And that is all you're pretty much going to have to do is, like, if you see TikTok and it's like number 1, 2, or 3, well, that probably means TikTok is down. And good news, you're just going to have to wait. It's not really an issue on your end. You're just going to have to wait until TikTok fixes it. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.